What if I told you that you could generate 50 service calls in 14 days without spending a single dollar on ads, without discounting any prices or sending any of your people door to door? You'd probably think that I was pitching you something. I'm not. I'm teaching you a system that I used with one of my other home services clients that's now crushing it with this process. Look at most home services companies assume maintenance revenue is unpredictable. They think homeowners won't schedule with them unless something breaks in their home. And because there's no structured annual touch point, they leave thousands of dollars in recurring work untouched. But here's the truth. Every install today becomes a service call next year if you build the system. What is the system? The system is what we're calling the annual maintenance engine. Here it is in 5 simple steps. Number 1, pull every install from 12 months ago. 2, run scripted outbound calls with no improv there. Number 3, offer the standard annual maintenance service that you offer already. Number 4, upsell relevant parts and upgrades as needed and appropriate. And 5, track calls, booking, and revenue daily. One of my clients did this very thing with a brand new sales professional. And within 2 weeks, they booked 50 service calls following the script and generated more than $10,000 in pure profit, as well as multiple upgrades and other conversion opportunities. Look, this all works because consistency works. Customers appreciate proactive reminders. It signals professionalism and reliability, and it increases lifetime value dramatically, particularly if you did a good job and pride yourself on great work every single time that you're out in front of a client. So start with this. Pull your December 2024 installs right now. Build a monthly cycle 1 year ago this month. Add scripting and tracking, and then train your customer service professionals, your techs, or your salesmen on in-home upsell opportunities. I guarantee you that if you try this for a month, you'll never run your home services business the same way again.